Welcome to Control Bridge Group, your trusted partner in ISO 27001 implementation, audit readiness, and information security compliance. Centriosis is our brand dedicated to implementing ISO 27001 standards. Visit centriosis.com to learn more. In today's video, we're breaking down an essential and often misunderstood component of the ISO 27001 standard. Clause 10.1, Nonconformity and Corrective Action. Let's explore what this clause requires, what's in scope, and how you can show evidence of compliance. Clause 10.1 ensures that when something goes wrong, your organization doesn't just fix it, it learns from it. Whether it's a failed control, a process deviation, an audit finding, or a security incident, you're required to respond to the nonconformity. Understand the root cause. Take corrective action to prevent recurrence. Evaluate the effectiveness of that action. It's about closing the loop and ensuring continual improvement in your ISMS. This clause applies to all nonconformities related to your information security management system, including internal audit findings, external audit nonconformities, security incidents and breaches, deviations from policy or procedures, compliance failures, operational failures in implemented controls. It doesn't matter how the issue was discovered. Once it's identified, it needs to be tracked and resolved with a structured corrective action process. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 10.1, you'll need to maintain documented evidence of your nonconformity and corrective action process. That includes a nonconformity log or register, documented root cause analysis, often using tools like 5 whys or fishbone diagrams, defined corrective actions with owners and deadlines, evidence of implementation, showing actions were completed, verification of effectiveness, confirming the problem is resolved, links to related audit findings, incident reports, or management review minutes. Auditors will want to see consistency, traceability, and follow-through. Clause 10.1 isn't just about fixing mistakes. It's about building resilience and driving improvement across your entire ISMS. An effective corrective action process helps reduce repeat incidents, strengthen internal controls, improve audit outcomes, build trust with regulators, partners, and customers. Ensure your ISMS matures over time. At Control Bridge Group, we help organizations like yours build and optimize their nonconformity and corrective action processes, fully aligned with ISO 27001, Clause 10.1. From root cause analysis frameworks to audit-ready documentation, we can support every step of the journey. Reach out today, and let's turn nonconformities into opportunities for improvement. Visit centriosis.com to discover our ISO 27001 application and subscribe to stay protected and compliant.